Hey guys, Harsh here, and today we'll be looking into one awesome plugin that is going to be very useful for your blog. So this plugin which I'm talking about is very useful, especially after the Google Penguin update, where you have to take control of all the links which is going away from your blog too. So one of the thumb rule that we all follow is that you should not link out to the domains which are of spammy in nature or which does not add any value. I mean, maybe let's say you're writing about a particular post and for some reason you have to link out to any domain for the reference, which is maybe a hacking website or maybe a website which is distributing free softwares. I mean, softwares for free. So what you would do, what you can do is you can add a no follow tag. Now that is one of the usage. Another thing, like maybe if you are a blogger from last couple of years, and if you're running, you're allowing others to come and guest post on your blog. Well, a lot has changed in terms of guest blogging, and for you, it's quite important that you no follow those links which are not relevant to your particular blog. So, for example, if a food blogger came on your blog and guest posted, and your blog is all about technology or anything else, and you're linking out to that food blogger, it does not make sense. So, from the SEO perspective, of course. So what you can do, you can simply add a no follow tag. That is what's suggested by Google. Now the biggest challenge here is how you can find and like all the links of your blog and work on it without going and editing every post of your blog. So this is where this particular plugin, which I'm going to review today and show you how it works, is going to be useful for you. So the plugin name is Link Patrol, which is developed by Search Engine Land team, and I use it on my main blog, and in this video I am using it on my other blog, and let me show you how this works. So this is a premium plugin. You need to go ahead and download this plugin. So you can download it after watching this video. I'll also share a coupon code which will help you to save money. And so once you have downloaded and installed and activated this plugin, you'll see the Link Patrol option here. So the very first thing that you would be doing is going to the scanner. Now one thing which I really want to talk about the scanner, it's pretty fast, like it's blazingly fast. I mean, I have used Broken Link Checker plugin and other plugin. Usually they takes like hours or sometimes day to complete the scan. In my case, like whenever I use this scanner of Link Patrol, it takes hardly 2 minutes or 5 minutes depending upon how big your blog is. So that is something going to be useful. So let's wait for some. So alright, here you can see it took 56 seconds to scan my blog, which has more than 2000 blog posts. So once that is done, you can click on reports, and this is the dashboard that you'll be getting. Here you can see the number of posts and number of links and all of the details, like which domain you are linking out the most, then who is the most generous author of your blog who's giving out the maximum links. So here I can see Viren Bait is someone who has been adding too many links. Cool, Viren, that's a nice thing. I mean, if you're looking out to a good place. So anyhow, and similarly, I mean, the best thing, I mean, if you notice, like in 56 seconds, it scanned my 1794 posts and also found 6500 plus links. Wow, that's like awesome. I mean, something I wish if they actually add the feature of Broken Link Checker and fixing in this particular plugin, but that's a different thing. So let's go ahead and see how to use this plugin. So here, like you click on the domain report over here, and then you'll be landing on this page. And here you can see the domain name and the number of posts having this particular, the links to this particular domain. The number of links, total links. You can also click on that to see the post, the detail of the post which have the link. And number of authors. So what you can do quickly from here. So basically, let's say if you have linked out to any domain which is not of a great nature, what you can do, you can simply no follow by clicking here. Or if a link which is like already broken, what you can do, you can simply click on strip in front of the domain name, click on update, and all your links and all the links which you have selected for no follow will have no follow tag, and for the strip one, the links will be removed. So that's very useful feature. And okay, this hosting is this blog is quite slow. So anyways, let's go. Now here is another thing, like once you have done doing that, so okay, before that, So what you can do here, like you can just simply open the new domain link of the domain on a new tab, and you can see what this domain is all about. I mean, you can also use any SEO add-on to see the SEO record of this particular domain. I mean, if this domain has good page rank, good SEMrush rank, and mostly it will have it's a good domain. I mean, that's the quick way to judge it. And so similarly, like you can from the first point where I clicked on the number of links, you can see that these are the posts which are linking out to this particular link to this particular domain. I can simply click on edit. It will open the post edit section. I can make changes to the link itself. So I'll add a very useful tip at the bottom, which is very useful for affiliate marketers. So before that, let's look at the other feature of this plugin. So you can click on no follow strip, and here you can see the list of the domain that you have either no followed or you have stripped. Now stripped means that the link is removed. So that's a quick way to look at it. And then it has also settings option where you can enable your editors can access link petrol report. Now another very useful feature here which you are going to enjoy is you can also export the data as CSV. So basically what it will do for you, so let's say if you are a busy blogger and you found a domain, you found a link which is linking out to particular domain, and so you can have the list of all the posts with the list of the links. You can give that link to give that CSV file, Excel sheet file to your editor or to your to a virtual assistant, and he can make changes for you. So that's going to be very handy for anyone. Similarly, here at the list of domain, you can export the list of the domain name. Then you can use any SEO tool to quickly check the domain authority, page rank of that particular domain. So this is again very useful for you. And so pretty much that's it. I mean, this plugin is something going to be very useful, especially if your blog is affected by Penguin, or you have a blog where you add too many links and you don't have too much of editorial. You don't manually audit all the blog posts going live on your WordPress blog. And as I said, like this plugin, you can use coupon code ShoutMeLoud15. I've already added the coupon in the at the bottom at the description. You can use that to save some money when you buy this plugin. So here's one thing that I have used, and this is very useful for the affiliate marketers. The thing is, I mean, if you're running an old blog, let's say 3 or 4 year old blog, and you might have linked out to many domains. Now back in those days, affiliate marketing was not so popular. Now most of the product site or service site have their own affiliate program that you can join, and you can make money out of it. So what you need to do, you need to simply go and look at the domain name. For example, like even the iTunes app have affiliate program right now. So what you can do, you can simply go to all those posts and start editing the links replacing the link with your affiliate links. I mean, imagine if you do that with almost all of your old blog posts, you will end up creating a huge revenue with the help of affiliate marketing. Well, pretty much that's it from me now. If you have any question regarding this plugin, you can feel free to let me know via comments. If you want me to review any other plugin, you can also let me know via comments, or drop me an email at admin@shoutmeloud.com. And if you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit like button. Thank you for watching. This is Harsh.